Yeah, go ahead.
When doing a bracha with the sleeve on the head, which hand to use, right or left?
Sleeve on the hand, because person does not have a kippah, or why?
Yeah, if there is no immediate at hand, there is no kippah.
Okay, yeah. So I would say you use left hand. So I mean, logically, it's my personal logic. Why? Because it says clear that when you make a blessing, you must hold this object on which you make blessing in your right hand. You understand? So do with your left hand. But when for other people to understand, so he's asking if person does not have a kippah, man. For women it's not necessary. If man does not have kippah, right? So he would put if he have a sleeve, not the hand like sleeveless. No. There's a sleeve he can put on his head, and it's going to be considered as a head covering, and you can say the blessing. Okay, but what I answered, like he asked what hand, I said logically with left hand, because in right hand, before you make a blessing, you must hold the object in your right hand.